I know what you're thinking. This is just another demo video where someone sits down and waves their hands around so the sensor reacts. But nope, not today. Chris actually has something interesting to show you, because this goes way beyond a regular sensor.
I want to show you the Theia Pro. When I sat on the sofa, the thermal imaging and radar detected that I was sitting in the sofa using zoning. Using Bluetooth beacon, the Theia device detected that it was me, and it automatically turned on the TV and started my favorite show, The Witcher. I want to show you something else. Theia isn't only about convenience, it's also about safety. In the kitchen, sometimes we'll be cooking and we'll walk away. As you can see, I started a fire in my kitchen, and the Theia device immediately detected it. It changes the lights to red, and it also notifies me throughout the house. I can quickly come to the kitchen and extinguish the fire. Here we can see in Home Assistant, it is broadcasting a wide range of data, from CO2 levels, to presence, to humidity, to temperature, and every sensor. It also has infrared to control your TV and everything else you might need. Come on, I want to show you something else.
You might have noticed Theia isn't using a camera for any of this. It just knows when you're there and when you're not. That's real presence sensing at work.
We've been developing the Theia line of devices for over 3 years. This is our first iteration, our beta, and our pre-production from one unit to the next. We also changed the design. We noticed that there was elevated temperature in the case that was giving bad readings. So we added this plastic barrier and this tube to get fresh air and give you perfect readings. Our temperature sensor is here now, and it's also isolated from the rest of the board. We also added a heat dissipator to our processor. You can see here a Theia device and how it tracks thermal and presence detection. It also does tracking and zoning. Right now it's only using thermal, but we're adding more data from the radar, and it'll be the best zone and tracking on the market using data from 2 sensors. The Theia line of devices is unique. We use Bluetooth beacon and thermal imaging to provide you a better experience. Theia doesn't only detect presence in your home, it also knows you. Using Bluetooth beacon, your phone, a tile, it can identify your dog, you, your spouse, anyone else in your home, and it can personalize the experience to each member of the family. Theia is unique and the only one in the market that does this. It keeps you safe and it makes your house intelligent, not just automation, intelligence. Thank you.
Now that Chris has shown how Senziio Theia understands real presence and reacts with true intelligence, you can see why this technology changes everything for smart homes. We're incredibly excited to bring Theia to life with the support of our backers. This is the beginning of a new era for presence-driven automation, and we're thrilled to have you here with us as it becomes real.